This is a simple one, but an interesting one, and possibly a useless one for some people. But hey, this is a 37 pieces screwdriver set. I don't even know why I'm doing a video about this, but maybe you guys are interested or you've seen it and you really want to know how it is on the inside, how it feels like. So this is the Yoyoso. Hold up. Yeah, the Yoyoso. I never heard of them. I got this at Banana Shop as well. Just a screwdriver set, man. I don't think I need to read anything. So let's just unbox this thing quickly. I know you guys have other important things to do in your life. There it is. This is the handle. So if you want to open it, here it says open. It's plastic. Here's the back. Do I press it? Okay. So if you want to open it, just slide it to the left. Bam. Not bad, eh? And you have access to your 37 screw heads. This is the handle itself. And let's put it in. So you just slot it in. Okay, it holds quite well. Let me see if I can shake it. Shake it out. Man, this ain't going anywhere, man. You got a solid connection here. Is it? Yeah, a little bit of magnetic in it. So there's magnet at the base, so you can shake it off. Rubber handle, solid. That's it, basically. Ain't nothing else to say about it. I got this for 20 CDs. Okay, this also goes in and out. A little spring. Very simple design. Yeah. These things always come in handy, man. Always come in handy. All right. Thanks for watching, yo. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one, all right? So take it easy. Peace out.